All right, Spencer and I are back in Clifton Forge. We made a really cool train whistle video about 11 years ago, and now we're doing really cool train whistle part 2. Hey, that's really nice. Now do it a little slower, like you're on a slow freight. That is awesome. That echoes off the hills. This is a good memory for us. Of course, years ago, if you see the video, it was on this building, as we recall, and now they moved everything over to this building, but same place, same location. You just cleared the crossing.